safety footwear, and what tests do we do on the upper of our work boots to make sure they're Australian standards compliant? So the upper is, of course, the top section of the work boot. So the things that we actually need to test for this is the tear strength of the material that we use, the tensile properties, so how strong the material is, and also a thing called the pH value and chromium-6 content. So when we're using a leather boot, we need to make sure that there's not anything that's detrimental to health used in the tanning process of the work boots. So chromium-6 is something that's used in tanning cheap work boots. So we actually have to test ours to make sure they're Australian standards compliant for chromium-6 and what the pH value is. So ours, of course, passed the test because they're an Australian standard work boot, and you can see that they've got the Australian standards testing on the tongue here, this little red section. So that'll make sure that you're buying a work boot that won't be detrimental to your patients, your workers, or your own foot health. So if you need to have an Australian standards work boot that's a protective toe and you want something a little more comfortable, get over to ergonx.com.au and check out the arch support work boots that are podiatrist designed to make your feet more comfortable on the job site.